So hi everyone, my name is Afra and today we're going to be talking about how to do the addition and subtraction. No, not subtraction, but not addition, I meant to say function. So we're going to learn about functions. Okay? So functions, what are they? Functions are like, so if you think about it, most people know functions, but it's not that functions you're thinking of. Okay? Functions are like, let's say, I talk about instead of like creating like instead of me like creating a one, like how do you say that, a square, but without the function it will print you have to use many lines, but with the function it's just a few lines and it will be easier to do. Okay, so that's what a function is, and that's the use of. So what we're gonna do is addition with it. So define. So def we do add. We're gonna do add. Add. Okay. Now what we have to do is z equals to x plus y. I mean no. Oh yeah, z. My bad. X plus y. X plus y. Then what we do? Print string formatting. Okay. All we have to do is the sum of x and y, x and y. What am I doing? X and y is z. Meaning if x is 5 and y is 6, meaning the sum of 5 and 6 is 11, right? That's what it is. Anyways, what we do next is x equals to int bracket input bracket quotation marks, enter your number. Y equals to int bracket input bracket quotation marks, enter your numbers. Then all we have to do is add, and then we have to call these. Because oh my bad, because if we add or if we do that at the starting, we have to also do it at the end. Okay, if I run the code with 1, 12, the sum of 1 and 12 is 13. If I say blah, 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 yeah, and the sum of whatever, and whatever is whatever, is whatever. Okay? If we do it again, why does it not run? 1, how about this? 10,200, okay. 9,999. No, 99,999. And 9,999,999. the sum of 99,999 and 9,999,999 is, what is this big number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 9. Like I'm telling you. This is a 9. No, not a 9 digit, my bad. That's an 8 digit. So that is 10 million, right? We don't need to count that. 10 million 990. I mean, oh, my bad. Okay. I don't know what wait, what is this? 336. Okay, this is an 8-digit number. That's all I can say. So if it's an 8-digit number, tell me in the comments how do you say it. Okay, so we can run the code again. Let's see if that big number and blah, like that. Now let's change it into subtraction. Now all we have to do is change that operation. Basically, what am I doing? It never runs. So blah 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 blah. Blah. This is what? Oh yeah, subtract. And subtraction. I don't know what happened. Okay, probably it's because we wrote a too much of a big number. It's minus, right? Like, what is answer this question? So if I say, okay, yeah, -1 and -10. What's the answer? For the ones that know integers and know this, then you can do it. You can pause the video to find the answer, but don't cheat. Oh my God. My bad. See? By the actually, it's -11. I don't know why it's saying 9. Oh, wait. Oh, yes. It is 9, actually. Because it's actually, because since it is -10, it's -1 and minus -10, meaning -1 plus 10. And -1 plus 10 is actually 9. So there was a trick there, actually. Okay, so what is -1 plus 10? It's 9. Okay? So now we can do multiplication. Just change the function's name. And why is that there? Multiplication. And then, where is it? Yes, there. This never runs, I don't know. 12 times 12 is 144. What's this? What is 10 times 200? Pause the video if you want. It's 2000, okay? So thank everyone for listening about functions. Feel free if you have any questions. I hope you like it, and bye.